Realme is looking to bring a full screen phone with Realme X on Wednesday. Thanks to leaks and rumor, we already seen the phone design and even the retail box. And now Realme provide a official render of phone for the first time via their Weibo account. Well, the phone comes with white and blue or purple gradient color. Up front we see a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED screen with its minimum bezel and built-in fingerprint sensor. Well, on the front there is a pop-up selfie camera. So that means this smartphone comes with full edge-to-edge display. I really like the design and position of cameras on backside. They are different from previous Realme smartphone. So coming to the cameras, the above its front pop-up camera which features a 16 megapixel sensor, or on the back we see a double camera setup with 48 megapixel main sensor and 5 megapixel depth sensor along with LED flash and Realme branding in the bottom half. Coming to the other specification, the smartphone comes with Snapdragon 710 with 6GB and 128GB internal storage, and the battery capacity is 3680 mAh battery with VOOC 3.0 fast charging spot. Realme recently shared a poster confirmed that AMOLED display on Realme X. Now company has released one more poster which confirmed that smartphone comes with 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor which have 1.7 aperture. So Realme X also come with night mode. I really love the design of Realme X smartphone, and I hope that Realme also doing very well in China market. The smartphone will be released on 15th of May in Beijing, China. I don't think so that Realme X smartphone will become in India very soon, because Realme X smartphone specification are similar to Realme 3 Pro. So that's all guys. If you like this video, press the like button. Let me know your thought on this smartphone. I will catch you next video. Till then, goodbye.